So welcome ka backyard to this episode. This is the step 4 of doing hydroponics using Kratky method.
Think globally, farm locally. Welcome to backyard farming.
So in step 1, the sowing. Step 2, hardening. Step 3 is half strength. So step 4 is about full strength. We're going to transfer the lettuce. They are now 15 days from germination, and we will transfer them from half strength to full strength. So sa full strength, kapag nailipat na, we will only wait for the harvest. So the process is here. I have 22 cups to transfer. So every cup is 1.5 liter. So we need to have a 20 to 1.5 liter. So because I have 22 cups, so we need 33 liters of water so that it will be enough for them until harvest time. So we'll do it. So I have here this meter. This is 1.5 liter. So I have already 2, 3, 4, 5, 22 of this, because this is 1.5 liter. So
remember, kabackyard, that 1 cup of lettuce requires 1.5 liter of water. So 22 cups times 1.5 liter is equals to 33 liters. 33 liters of water times 2 ml of solution A and solution B equals 66 ml of solution A and 66 ml of solution B.
Mix this before you mix the solution B.
Mix the solution A first to the water thoroughly before adding the solution B. Para ka-backyard ay halong-halo po talaga sila sa tubig at walang mabuo na crystallize kapag na-mix yung dalawang solutions.
So next is the solution B.
Gamit ko po dyan ay Nutrihydro po. Yung Nutrihydro po ang na-try ko po at saka effective naman. The amount of the solution B is the same with the solution A. Dapat pantay po ka-backyard.
So that's it. Next, we'll use the TDS meter. This is the way to use this meter, this water parameter called TDS, total dissolved solids. So we will get the right ppm. So for lettuce, at least you are in the range of 700 to 800 ppm for the lettuce to really absorb the nutrients and to really grow big. So what we need to get again is the ppm of the water without solution. And then we will add this ppm to the ppm here with the solution until we get the 700 to 800 range of ppm for the lettuce. So we'll get this one. This is 102 ppm without nutrients. This one is with nutrients. So let's see how many or how much. This is 634. 634 plus 102 is 736. So that's it. We are in the right range from 700 to 800. That's how you get the right ppm using this TDS. total dissolved solids, or the ppm is parts per million. So that the lettuce will really absorb all these nutrients from our mixing. Okay, and the next one we need to get is the pH. The purpose of pH is to get how much or how acidic the water and how alkaline or the alkalinity of the water. So I will show you the picture of this principle. This side here is very acidic and this side here is alkaline, more on alkalinity. The right acidity for the lettuce is 5.5 to 6.5. Okay, 5.5, actually 5.5 to 6.5. That is the amount of acidity that the lettuce need to absorb so that the plant could absorb the nutrients. So for me, we need to get at least somewhere in 6.0 in the middle, so that as times goes by, when it going down or it goes up, you have an allowance. So our goal is 6.0 level of acidity. So the pH level is 6.93, 92. So too high for me. So I need to use the pH down. So this is the purpose of pH down, until you reach the desired pH of 6.0 or near to 6.0. I hope you are following me, kabackyard, because this here is very crucial in the full strength level, because the plant now have roots, so they need a proper level of pH and ppm so that they can absorb the nutrients easily. Zero, 6.0. So I'm done with this. I get it. So this is my final pH 6.00. You can do like 5.99, 6.01, 6.02, as long as it's near to 6.0. So we have the right ppm, the pH, and then what we need now is the iron. So the purpose of this is to make your lettuce more tastier and crispier. So I will just put, because I have little now, I just need to put maybe 20 ml. I will just get 20 ml for this batch. And then put it in the styro box, your growing box, and then let it grow there until the harvest time. So this is how you do it. Watch this.
So yan po ka-backyard, kuha po ako ng 9 liters kasi yung box ko po ay 6 cups. So nangangailangan po sila ng 1.5 liters of water for each cup po, for each lettuce. So yan po yung nahanap ko lang na box. Yan po ay grape box po mga ka-backyard na nabili ko lang sa kaibigan ko. So that each box have 6 holes, 6 lettuce, so they need 9 liters of solution. Yang na gawa na po na solution. para until harvest po. Until harvest. So yan po yung iba na nauna dahil iba-iba po sila ng schedule para may benta po yung lettuce namin. Para hindi po isahan kasi hindi pa ganun kadami yung aming mga customer po. Meron ding iba na 8, meron ding iba 6. So, ganyan lang po mga ka-backyard yung ginagawa ko. Isahan kong tinitimpla at para hindi sayang yung effort. So, yan, pinapakita ko po sa inyo na hindi po ganun kahirap. And ang hydroponics po kapag kratky ay naiiwanan po siya hanggang harvest po. So yan na po siya, hanggang harvest na po yan ka-backyard. Transfer ko na yung mga punla. Yan po ay galing na ng half strength. So 14 days to 15 days na po yan after germination. So dumaan na po yan ng hardening, dumaan na po yan ng half strength. Then ngayon po ay full strength na. So ilagay ko lang po sila dyan sa transfer ng full strength until harvest na po yan. So wala na akong ibang gawin po. Hindi ako nag-i-spray. Wala nang ginagawa. But wait na lang po until sa harvest. That's how easy it is ka-backyard as long as you know the process. Alam mo gawin yung tamang solution, and then tamang pH, tamang ppm, and then yung hardening, yung half strength, then full strength, then ganyan na po ka-backyard yung last nyo pong gawin. Maghintay na lang until harvest. Ito po yung link sa screen ka-backyard and see you there.